the vlog. It's been a while, guys. It's good to see you again. But seriously, welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been a while since we posted one. It's been a little hectic here at the Earhart household.
We have done a lot of stuff in this house since the last video. We've done electrical, plumbing, spray foam insulation, drywall, got in a new heat and air unit and ductwork. And on top of all that, we're doing a lot of stuff downstairs as well.
Yeah.
We'll show you later on all that too.
It's been pretty crazy. Needless to say, we feel like we've had someone in our house every single day for the past month, which is a good thing because it means it's slowly coming together.
Yep.
So let's take a look at part 3 of renovations. So you may have noticed in this room, there's no drywall. And that's because we're gonna do this whole room in shiplap. And I'm pretty excited about it. The inner Joanna Gaines in me is finally getting to come out. Follow me in here into this room because I'm gonna tell you something else. So you also might have noticed that this wall behind me doesn't have drywall either. And that's because it's gonna be an accent wall and we're gonna put shiplap on that wall as well. All right, now follow me to this other room. Can you imagine that? This wall doesn't have any drywall either. We're putting shiplap on this wall too.
So the electrical in this house has been interesting, to say the least. We have completely redone the upstairs electrical. There's nothing old tied up here anymore. We had to bring a new wire up here and put a new panel in because there was nothing before. And anyways, me and Papa, which is Kendall's grandfather, have pretty much done all this ourselves. So I've learned a lot about electrical that I did not know before. One of my favorite parts of the upstairs is the spray foam insulation. So once it's there, and when we were putting the wires in, we were keeping that in mind, and it's extremely airtight, unlike it was before. So in our next video, we're gonna show you how we took a wall out downstairs, and in order to do that, we had to take the floor up here and install these 18-foot long, 14-inch wide double LVL beams.
Do you want me to do a rap again?
No.
You want me to do a rap again?
I don't think it was a fan favorite.
My name is Kendall and this is our house. We got new drywall and we're really excited about it. We're gonna put shiplap and we can't wait. We hope that Joanna Gaines
comes to
stay.
Did I change something? Is that right?
You zoomed in so far.
I didn't mean to.